we all have a greater responsibility to do better, you know, and to realise that I think lots of us find ourselves in situations which we think are going to pan out like a Netflix series or the movies. And the actual realities of life, you know, I think that's why one of the things I think a lot of outrage that people have at the moment, because when situations like, you know, this happen, in the movies, it's solved in a day.
Yeah.
Because what happens is someone comes in and does the kind of eloquent, strong speech that stirs the heartstrings of everyone. And then suddenly everyone's okay and life continues on. You know, as a parent, you know, I know that I definitely went into parenthood thinking it was going to be one thing. And then the realities of it were really different. Like, wow, this sleep deprivation thing is really real. It's like, it's really real. Or, you know, I remember like, whether it's a situation where you're driving a car and you get a flat tire and all the kids are looking out the window like, don't worry, superhero daddy's going to sort it out. And you're like, I've never changed a tire before. Or the first time there's a mouse in the house and everyone's like, daddy's going to sort it out. And you're like, I don't like mice and I don't know what to do, but I can't because I've got to be manly at this time. You know what I mean? It's just like, I mean, you know, I just think that the realities of life, of how you imagine it to be and how it really is, are very, very different. So coming back to resilience is realizing the system is broken. Don't think that it's not. So therefore, arm yourselves with the skills that you need to survive the system. This is why when I say to people, I'm not running because I want to run a fast marathon time. I'm not running because I want a PB. I'm running because it gives me a mental state that allows me to deal with the life that I find myself in. I'm not doing yoga because I want to make pretty shapes on Instagram. I'm doing it because when I'm driving my car and someone cuts me up, rather than immediately feeling disrespected, I take a moment to think, oh, maybe you've had a bad day. You know, I don't allow myself to get in those confrontations that I may have done in my younger years, which really is about fragile male ego. Oh, I can't be seen to be backing down in this situation. Let me puff my chest up bigger. Oh, well, now I've done that. Now you've got to do this. You know, it's actually, no, we don't need to do that at all.
Yeah.